Hello everyone, it's me again, Sarah, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and look what I have here, guys. I got a mail from Buddhist Bracelet. It's a legit company and they are selling high quality blessed wooden bracelets, and they sent this to me for a review and look forward to share it to you guys. But before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below.
Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long.
So this is the packet, and look, there is a logo sticker on it. And let's cut this packet, so we'll take the box inside. The box is wrapped with paper, also with a logo sticker. And the box itself is also packed with a bubble wrap. So the packaging is really good. It's totally secured. Wow! Look at this artistic box, guys. The design is so impressive, and there is the logo and Buddhist bracelet. And the backdrop of this design, guys, is a piece of cloth. It has a combination of black and red. That's the one. So this is a wooden box. It is not just a plain piece of cardboard. So it's totally beautiful. Oh my goodness. Like, you can really say that they invest and do some effort in their crafts, you know. They made this box for something special inside. So now we'll open the box. There you go. With a yellow piece of clothing wrapped inside the box. I think this is silk. And a literature here. And then the bracelet itself. So I will read you the literature. Buddhist bracelet, 100% natural, handmade, top quality, and blessed. You have made a choice. We are grateful. You have chosen a bracelet, but maybe the bracelet has chosen you. Let it be a symbol and a reminder to your real quest. The inner skies, the heavens within, where light and beauty are never ending. Wear it with pride. www.buddhistbracelet.com. That's the one, and then the back part is QR code. Now let's proceed to the bracelet. Ooh. Thank you so much, Buddhist Bracelet, for sending me this item. So this bracelet, guys, is a golden sandalwood. It is a very rare kind of wood. Here, there is a logo engraved to one of its beads. And as usual, this is elastic. It comes in a bigger beads. Now I'll put it on my hand. Oh, this is bigger than my wrist because my wrist is really very small. It's like a baby. So that is big. And of course, I can take some of the beads so it will fit into my hand. It is shiny. Wow. So I will read to you the description of this item. Gold sandalwood is the second highest quality of all sandalwood in the world. Very rare and precious. It is lightly golden yellowish in color but has a gorgeous patina and a very pleasant smell. This is a guru or yogi choice. If you want the nicest and highest quality, don't look further than this. Sandalwood is considered one of the most precious and sacred woods of all time, a member of the sandalwood family. Many believe that the sandalwood has excellent medical and magical benefits. The belief is that wearing sandalwood will increase the power of your wishes, cleanse your spirit, and strengthen your mind. It is considered the wood of immortality, not like other wood, losing the scent or the aroma after the wood is cut. Sandalwood retained its beautiful fragrance for decades. The smell of sandalwood comes from the wood itself and not from the leaves or the flowers. In ancient Buddhist tradition, sandalwood has been celebrated as the perfect meditation tool for thousands of years. It is widely believed that the sandalwood can stimulate sensuality, grant a sense of awareness and tranquility, awaken the divine thoughts within the spirit, and promote profound relaxation. Sandalwood is also believed to stimulate the base chakra and enhance trust, identity, and life force, sexual energy. This bracelet is 100% natural sandalwood, handmade by a master artist, individually blessed by a Buddhist monk. We not only source our wood directly and ethically, we make sure that we never source or use wood from endangered forests or unethical sources. I'm so glad that I was able to communicate to the owner of Buddhist Bracelet. So the owner gave us 20% off discount for your purchases, guys. So please visit their website. I have the link on my description box below. And apply this discount code. Appears on your screen. Just choose one of these codes. Alright. And hurry up because this discount code is good for 25 people. So order your bracelet now. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for you to get notified for more videos. Thank you, Buddhist Bracelet, for the wonderful item, and see you next time. Bye, everybody.